Hey, welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. If you don't know who we are, this is Chef Dom and I'm Paul. Today we're going to show you how to make a couple of pizzas. This one here is our eggplant pizza, Brooklyn style, and this is our tomato pizza. I think Connecticut is known for this type of pizza. All right, let's get cooking. All right, first we're going to start with pizza sauce. We're going to go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Get that nice and hot. I want to take a couple of cloves of garlic. We're going to smash them again. Alright, I'm going to let that fry up, get a little golden brown. Flip that garlic over a little bit.
What a smell.
Man, nothing like fresh garlic. I like to use Cento tomato, the crushed tomato for pizza sauce. It's got the perfect consistency. I'm going to go ahead and remove this garlic. Get that out of there. We add the tomato. Take it off the heat, it's going to bubble everywhere. And then I took about a 1/4 cup of water. Just pour that in there. And about 1 teaspoon of salt. And that's it. We're going to let that cook for about 15 minutes, and then the sauce will be ready.
All right, we're gonna do some eggplant for our pizza. Gonna fry up some this nice medium-sized eggplant. Slice it up thin, and we're gonna put it right on top of the pizza. And we're not gonna bread these. We're just gonna do an egg wash and then fry them. We'll cut up these eggplants. We're gonna cut them up pretty thin. We have a recipe for this already on our channel, but beautiful eggplant, just a little bit of seeds. The small ones and the medium-sized ones usually have very little seeds in them. We're gonna do our egg wash now. Okay, we're gonna put a little garlic powder in there, some parsley, some pepper, some salt. All right, we're gonna put some flour in here. I salt and peppered the flour.
Okay. What was that? Very nice.
They won't take long because they're pretty thin. Okay. Let me see these. Oh, they look great. This is the only way I've ever had eggplant on pizza in Brooklyn.
Really?
This way. Yeah. A few more seconds on this side and we're ready. All right. These babies are ready. We'll pat them nice and easy. And now we're ready for the next.
All right, sauce is ready. We're gonna let this cool down, and then it'll be ready for the pizza. All right. We're gonna start whooping up pizzas now. Now, you can get this dough recipe on our channel. Actually, we have a website, brooklynbrotherscooking.com. I think you guys, I told you guys in the past that when I make pizza at home, I like to use the pizza screens. They cook a lot more evenly and a lot quicker. All right, so I'm gonna stretch this out. If you're new, you just have to take your thumbs and stretch the corners just like that. You'll get the knack of it.
After about 300 or 400 pizzas.
Nah.
And that's just on a Friday and Saturday night used to be for us. Seriously.
All right, first one we're doing is the Connecticut style tomato pizza. All right.
First time I eat it was in New York, Brooklyn.
Well, they have it in Brooklyn. They got it everywhere now. But I think New Haven is actually known for the tomato pizza. All right. Now, gonna sprinkle some oregano, Parmesan, and some olive oil.
And then also too, you can add crushed red pepper when it's cooked.
Oh, yeah.
Which I'm gonna do.
All right, that one's ready. All right, now we're gonna do the eggplant pizza. This is a Brooklyn thing here. There's a place out in Brooklyn that we used to go eat pizza called Sal's Pizza, and my brother watched Nemo make this recipe at his pizza place one day in Brooklyn. I'm gonna put some of this beautiful eggplant on there. All right, let's form the crust. All right. Stretch that out. Nice and even. Now, we're going to do it a little different. We're going to put the cheese on the bottom and then the sauce on top. This is provolone, by the way. You can use mozzarella also.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Give me a piece of that cheese, I'm hungry.
All right, now we're going to go ahead and put the sauce.
Good. Provolone.
Not too sharp. You don't want it too sharp for pizza. All right. Now we put a little oregano. Now the eggplant.
Save me that one piece.
You can have it.
I want to try it.
And now we're going to top off these eggplant with just a little bit of sauce. A little bit of Parmesan. And we are ready for the oven. All right, we're gonna put these pizzas in the oven. There we go. And this one on the top. All right, now we're gonna let that cook for about 10 minutes and we'll check it. If you notice this big tent back here, my wife has become an importer. She's brought
Welcome to the store.
Yeah, she's brought in some purses from Italy, they're handmade, and then she brought some dresses here from France. We're offering some very, very competitive prices on these purses.
Everything's handmade in Italy and it's all 100% leather. And this one here is pony fur and then they hand dyed it. So it's really nice.
All right, let's get back to the kitchen. All right, let's check out these pizzas. Let's see, the bottom here is still a little white, so I'm gonna remove the screen. It's all a balancing act, really. I mean, it depends on how your oven cooks. That'll determine the time, basically. All right. Whoa, look at that pizza. Woo, it's hot. Look at that, nice and brown. Beautiful. Oh, but it looks beautiful, huh?
Wow, that's a nicer pizza.
All right, we're gonna put a little bit more olive oil on here. Some more Parmesan. Oh, we're good to go. All right, let's test them out. Which one are you gonna eat first?
I'll try this one.
All right, I'll try this one right here. Oh, let's give it a shot. Man, you're gonna love this eggplant pizza for sure. What do you think?
Let me in there.
Who says pizza needs cheese?
This is good. Let the kid eat, he's hungry.
Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next recipe. Ciao.